I wonder why this food still isn't here. Huh? The fight release ankle in the kitchen. Aren't they extinct?
Oh shit, don't put the dynamite in the oven!
That's why I did the oven. Hey guys, where's my... Holy crap, is it in the oven? Ho ho, what's in my little cookies?
I'm at the front of the oven.
I had the salt to a cookie, now it's a lie, what I do? What the actual... The shot is floating. Ooh. The shot is running away. So the kitchen is gone. Where is the kitchen gone? Sir, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. It's just the chef's first experience here.
Oh boy, I can't wait for my food.
Where's the goddamn sugar? Hey, the sugar don't tell soul. The body y'all, bring her up TV. He's so without knowing. Where's the butter? Y'all overreact. This is so simple. His grandma's fault. We'll put the hand in the food. Nah, that 1-star review is coming soon.